Contactor. A contactor is an electromagnetic device that controls power circuits using small power control signals. L1, L2, and L3 are the main input power terminals. T1, T2, and T3 are the main output power terminals. A1 and A2 are the coil voltage terminals to drive the contactor. 21 and 22 are the normally close contacts, that will be turned to open when the contactor is on. 13 and 14 are the normally open contacts, that will be turned to close when the contactor is on. Switch is off. Switch is on. Input voltage L1, L2, and L3 are connected to T1, T2, and T3 respectively. Normally close contacts are turned to be open. Normally open contacts are turned to be close. Types of contactors. AC1, used for non-inductive or slightly inductive loads. They are used for heaters which are resistive loads. AC2, these type of contactors are used in starting of slip ring motors. AC3, used for starting of squirrel cage motors and switching off only after the motor is up to speed. AC4, same as AC3 but with rapid start-stop. How to select contactors. Match between the control signal and contactor coil voltage. Meanwhile, it is not possible to control 24 VAC contactor coil voltage by a 230 VAC control signal. Taking into consideration the number of main contacts required, sometimes the number of poles, main contacts, is 4. Taking into consideration the capacity of the load where the contactor power is equal or greater than the load attached to it, the contactor is available on a power scale of 4, 5.5, 7.5, 11, 15, 18.5, 22, 30, 37, 45, 55, 75, and 110 kW. For example, for 10 kW load a contactor of 11 kW or 15 kW will be selected. Consider contactors types AC1 to AC4. To watch similar useful videos, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel.